All right, we're here at Jewel Basin, under construction, just finishing up on there. And this is unit number 1. Walk in, living room area, got the mini split there, which is heating and cooling for the main area here. A nice kitchen. Sink, dishwasher, your stove, microwave over the top, into the laundry room area, a little back door, nice patio there, maybe a privacy fence in the future once the landscaping gets in. Into the 2 bedrooms. There's your circuit breaker there. Bedroom number 1, decent size. They got cadet heaters in each one of the bedrooms and the bathrooms. They'll put the mirrors up tomorrow. Got a hot water heater in that closet there. And we got master closet. It's a deeper master closet, which is nice. And then master bathroom there. Again, the mirrors will be on tomorrow. Hope you like the tour. If you have questions, give us a call. There's the parking lot here.